Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into Apple. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all of our latest analysis. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could greatly impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.26. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.34%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.54% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently situated at the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would indicate a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $189.73, it would provide a strong buy signal, suggesting a potential shift in the trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a projected 0.0166% change over the next 3 months. The potential return within this period ranges between -12.01% and 0.0248%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant 32.4% change over the next year. This predicts a potential return between 18.65% and 48.28%, resulting in a price range of $225.09 to $281.30 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Apple brings some exciting news. The stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, November 16, 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a gain of 0.9%. It went from $188.01 to $189.71. This is the third consecutive day of gains. We're eager to see if this positive momentum will continue or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $188.65 and a high of $190.95, representing a 1.22% difference. Out of the last 10 trading days, the price has risen in 7 of them and is currently up by 6.84% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 331,000 shares on the last day. In total, approximately 53 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $10.03 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume when prices are higher can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock's price is 4.29% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $8.51. It is also 16.89% below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James upgraded Apple with an outperform grade, recommending to hold on to the stock. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS rated Apple as neutral, suggesting to hold the stock. Evercore ISI recently gave Apple an outperform grade while recommending a hold action on Thursday, November 2, 2023. Barclays assigned Apple an equal weight grade on Thursday, November 2, 2023, suggesting to hold on to the stock. Wedbush upgraded Apple with an outperform grade on Thursday, November 2, 2023, recommending to hold the stock. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple's stock. Let's dive in. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Apple. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these signals confirms the buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and declines, it will find support at $185.95 and $177.28. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 13.67% so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign, so it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple stock. When it comes to support, we can see that there are two levels just below today's price. The first one is at $177.56, and the second one is at $175.84. Support levels are important because they indicate a price point where buying interest may increase and prevent the stock from falling further. However, if the current support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level at $175.84 and even $175.01. It's important to note that there is always a certain level of risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, it could indicate a potential downward trend. So, it's crucial to keep an eye on these support levels. Moving on to the stock's volatility, we can see that Apple has average movements during the day. This means that it doesn't experience extreme price swings. Furthermore, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In terms of recent price movements, the stock had a range of $2.30 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.22% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.15%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we delve into the potential trading levels for Apple. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within the range of what is considered normal. It is common to see such ratios in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is anticipated to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep a close eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Condo Chris, who bought and sold a total of 24,854 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined a negative insider power ratio of -22.237. In total, insiders have purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,788,383 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $183.35, representing a decrease of 3.35%. This stock typically experiences moderate daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is at 89, which significantly increases the risk level. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 15 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? According to our analysis, Apple stock has several positive signals and is considered to be a good choice at its current levels. We are confident that Apple stock will perform well in the short-term period. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After carefully studying the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 17th, we expect Apple stock to open up $0.0600 and start trading at $189.77. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day.